Oh yeah. Let's get this first flip. Flippity flip. Flippity flip flip. Yo, look at these big old gigantic wings. You know what we about to do with them? We gonna jerk them. Some smoked jerk chicken wings. When I find them huge like this, they gotta go on the smoker. They got to. So how we gonna do this? All right. We're gonna keep it super simple. Go ahead and put a little avocado oil up in here in my marinade bag. Got the Walker's Wood mild jerk seasoning. So we ain't trying to hurt ourselves. We just, you know, we just want some of that jerk flavor. Let's see. I could probably get away with. Nah, let's do 2 tablespoons. Or a tablespoon and a half. Let's go with, I'm gonna go with a half tablespoon of Lawry's. That up in there. You know we gotta put some citrus up in there, some lime. I like this little squeezer. Got the cup in there. All right, that's what I'm talking about. And y'all, this, oh, come on, man, get it together. Get it together, Darryl. All right. So we did wash the wings already. Load these on up in here. Jumbo wings, baby. Should I name the video Jumbo Jerk Chicken Wings? A whole jumbo jerk chicken wings. So just like that. Let's get the air out. Oh yeah. Get a little more air out. Yeah, get the air come out. Yeah. This is Saturday evening. We're gonna do an overnight marinade on these. We're gonna get up Sunday morning, fire up that smoker, get some pecan wood. Man. We're gonna jerk these up. Alright, I'll see y'all in the morning. I try to ask you if you want something to eat, because when I cook this stuff, I'll be like, oh, this is for me. I'm like Craig's mama. Be like, oh no, this for me. Got our jerk chicken wings, jumbo. Going meat side down first. I'm clowning with this open fire, baby. I got pecan wood and apple wood mix, because I still had some pecan wood left in there from a previous fire. So I said, hey, let me go ahead and mix it up. See what kind of flavor I get. And she wants something specifically for herself on the grill.
I'm okay.
Okay. I'll be sitting back looking at the game, eating the wings. Don't want you looking at me. All right, let's let these rock out. Jumbo jerk chicken wings. Oh yeah. We've been rolling about a good hour. Let's get this first flip. Flippity flip. Alright, let's give it about a half an hour and we'll probably be taking these off. Get some good eating. They looking good, nice and brown and crispy. Oh yeah, we definitely done on these wings. So let's get them off. All right. These are looking so delicious. Get that alcohol out the way. Yes, Lord. Ooh, I'm gonna go in for this old. Oh man, look how that's just coming. Look how they just coming. What they be saying? I told you. Told you. So y'all saw how we got there. I let these things cook for about a good hour and a half, 275 degrees. I let them get all. Some of the wings got up to like 200. You know what I'm saying? So it's breaking down all that collagen, being super tender. And y'all saw how we did it, marinated overnight, just like that. Everything's all good, tasting good, super tender, juicy. Oh yeah, we did wash it in vinegar. Y'all notice how we do it on all the chicken. But we'll catch y'all on the next one. Much appreciation and love. Hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Let's get ready for football season, y'all. Start tailgating. We're gonna do some tailgating videos. So, all right, let's get to it.